it's about time for a trip when I change my watch face to mini. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am starting my Disney prep for our upcoming trip. My husband and I are going, just the two of us, for the first time ever, and we're going to celebrate our 15-year wedding anniversary, so we're really excited. I made a whole announcement video. I'll link it below if you want to see all the details of our trip, and I'm also 16 weeks pregnant right now, and I'm already getting to that point with this my third pregnancy. So sorry, my cat is trying to jump up, but I'm getting to that point where I can't talk without getting out of breath. So bear with me. But yeah, our trip is in, you might be able to see my cat. He really wants me to hold him right now, but in 18 days. I'm making my own little daily planner kind of for the next 18 days. And I'm trying to get that finished right now. So that is today's task, just because I'm feeling really overwhelmed with everything I need to do. So I'm going to print that out right now. Okay, a little while later, and I think I have everything kind of mapped out, and I feel much better. A little overwhelmed by all the things I need to do each day, but we'll get it done. I have been at the pool most of the day today, so excuse my appearance, but I'm here shopping for some last minute things for our trip, and I'm here alone. So it's basically like a vacation, shopping without kids. So I'm gonna go in and get a few last minute things. We leave for our trip in 4 days, and normally I start this a lot further ahead of time, but since it's only a 4-day trip and it's just my husband and I feel fine. I think we'll get this done in plenty of time. But I always just go onto Google Docs, and I take like an old packing list and I'll just kind of modify it for this trip. So I have sections for my clothes, and then extra stuff, accessories, toiletries, electronics, first aid, and random stuff. And then anything I still need to buy. Hopefully, I think we might be in a place where I've got everything I need, but I just always have that section on there in case. So finishing this today, and then I think tomorrow we'll do the actual packing. Hey guys, we are 3 days out from our trip now. I'm talking quiet because the girls are still sleeping, so hopefully you can hear me, but today's packing day, so I'm really excited. Starting by doing all my laundry so I'll have everything I need when I go to pack. Okay, so I think I've got my packing list finished and ready to go. This is how I pack. I print it and just check it off as I go, and I can add things as I need to because I'm sure I forgot to add something. Okay, so I've pulled out some of the bags I'm going to use. This is a smaller suitcase. We're only going to be there for 4 days. It's typically my daughter's, hence the Toy Story tag. I might switch that out if I decide to use it, but I'm going to see what I can fit in here, and then I'll take out the bigger one if I need to. Also, little hidden Mickeys, that's what we call them. And some of the other things we're going to be packing in, this is just going to be my carry-on bag. Since it's just the two of us, I don't need a lot. So just bringing that on the plane. First aid is going to go in here. Bigger toiletry items, smaller toiletry items, and makeup is going to go in here, and then a new little wallet to bring on the plane. Another thing I do with this list is I highlight anything that I can't pack until like the day of. And then that way that morning I can quickly look through at all the highlighted things and make sure I grab all of those before we head off to the airport. And you know it's about time for a trip when I change my watch face to mini. To pack my first aid stuff now. We'll see if it'll all fit in here. So I have my prenatals. If it doesn't fit, I will just take some of these out and put them in a smaller container, but I'll definitely need these. Probably should just do that, but I just want to get it done. Anti-chafing roller, or anti-chafe balm. I mean, there's a lot of walking. Tissues. I have some small band-aids and cleaning wipes in here. Bigger band-aids. You just never know what you're gonna need. Tylenol. This is pretty much all I can take when I'm pregnant, even though I try not to, but it's hot and sometimes that can cause headaches. I always bring Orajel, and then I have, this is just clove oil. I'm not a huge essential oil person, but I do know that this helps toothaches. Tooth pain is the worst, and I always just want to be prepared. I would hate to have a toothache during my trip. It would totally ruin it. More chapstick. I don't know why. I feel panicked if I don't have chapstick. And a thermometer, because you never know if you're going to get sick. See if we can zip this up. Alright. Hopefully we won't need that other than the prenatals, but at least we're prepared. And something new that we got for this trip, since I am pregnant and it's July, it's the heat index supposed to be like 105 or 110 or something crazy. So 95 degrees on average without the heat index. So we got these fans. They're great. You just turn them on right here and you just put them on your neck like this and then turn it on and it blows right in your face. It feels pretty good. I hope it helps a lot, along with our cooling towels. And those are just rechargeable, so we'll have to remember to plug those in at night before our 2 park days. I will link these below. I got them on Amazon. Okay, so I have my outfits lined up to make sure I have everything. So wearing this romper on our travel day, and I'm bringing a cardigan in case it's cold on the plane or in the airport. I don't have Friday's outfit because my mom is making a shirt for me. Saturday during the day, I'm gonna wear this shirt and these maternity shorts with the panel. Hopefully it won't be too hot. Saturday night at California Grill, I'm gonna wear this dress. And then Sunday at Epcot, I'm gonna wear this shirt with another pair of maternity shorts. And we've got a little troublemaker over here getting into everything, huh? She took literally a 20-minute nap. She always sleeps at least an hour. I don't know what's happening. Okay, this room is kind of a hot mess, but I'm gonna see if all my clothes fit and pack what I can. Okay, I'm missing one outfit, but all my clothes fit in there pretty well. And I do not use packing cubes. I don't like them. I don't know why, but I like to fold mine like KonMari style, and then you can see everything. I can take out what needs to be hung up, and then everything else I can just kind of pick it all up and transfer it into a drawer. So I like to be able to see everything. As far as shoes go, I'm going for comfort. These are, I know, really ugly, but they're so comfortable. They're really soft. They're the most comfortable park shoes I've ever worn. Although I wear these to the airport and like our last day when we're going back to the airport, but I think I might also wear these like on our Magic Kingdom day. They're Nike comfort sandals, comfort footed sandals, I guess it says. And I've worn them an entire park day before. They're so soft and comfortable. Maybe not quite as much as these, but it's gonna be so hot. I think I might wear these. And then these I'm just wearing to our California Grill dinner, so I won't have to wear this for very long because obviously they don't have much support. So I just packed those in this little top part of my suitcase so they don't get dirt or anything on anything else. All right, so I'm testing this thing out. I like how it hangs. I have a spot for all my makeup brushes, some random little things in there. It didn't fit as much as I thought, but and then all of my makeup down there. So that'll be good. So then it just folds up like this and it'll fit right in there. And there's all of my first aid stuff. And this here is our park bag. It folds up really small, but then, let's see if I can do it with one hand. All right, hold on, I can't. And then it unfolds to this book bag, which is gonna be our park bag since it's just 2 of us and we're not gonna need the big diaper bag. The baby is having trouble. She wants to get everything out of the suitcase. I did find one more of these to put some of our random stuff in. I don't like things just like loose in my suitcase. I was able to fit some ponchos and cooling towels in there. This is going to be filled up with a lot of stuff that I can't pack until the day of. But right now we've got sunscreen, loofah, makeup remover, hairspray, and lotion. But we'll put the bigger toiletries in there. So that'll just fit right on top. Can't forget my cute little mini earrings that I got at TJ Maxx. And our little portable fan. As far as my carry-on goes, I'm not sure I'm going to need all this space now that I'm looking at it, but I think I'll put one change of clothes in there just in case there's like a problem with our luggage or something. It's okay, Emma. And I'm going to keep my empty water bottle. It's color changing. It turns blue, the top part, when it has cold water in it. So we'll put that in there. Empty, of course, so we can go through security. Always have to have a book with me. So I'm currently reading this book, The Only One Left by Riley Sager. If I have not finished it before the trip, I will be putting that in there. Not sure I'm loving how flimsy this is. We'll see. And also, for when I finish that, I need my Kindle. I mean, this is the first kid-free vacation I've had in like 5 years, so I'm going to do a lot of reading. Some wet ones just in case, even though the kids won't be with us, so we might not need these, but I'd rather have them. Some hand sanitizer, of course. I think I will put that on the outside pocket, along with my AirPods. Maybe I'll hook that on the outside. I'm not sure. I'm definitely gonna be taking them out before we leave anyway, because I use those constantly. My little wallet, which I'll just slip in here. Emma, you packing up too? No, don't go on top of it. Second child. And then we'll probably put these on when we get there, so we'll stick those in. And I will throw some sunglasses and some other things in there, but that's pretty much it for the carry-on. The suitcase, it's not super full. We've got lots of room at the top, but I have a feeling we can fill a lot of that up with our souvenirs, so I think it's okay. We leave tomorrow, and my mom just brought this shirt that she made with her Cricut. We found the file on Etsy and we bought it, but it says snacking for 2. And we're gonna wear that on our Magic Kingdom day. Well, I am. All right, I officially have the girls' stuff packed up. All their stuff for 4 days, although I'm not sure if it's gonna close. Yeah, we might need to get another bag for some of this stuff. It is the night before we leave, and I am looking rough because not only have I been really busy today, but I also just cried off all my makeup saying goodbye to our girls. I'm gonna cry again. But anyway, we're leaving super early tomorrow morning at like 3 a.m. to get to the airport and get our 6:15 flight. So I'm just doing some last minute things. Meanwhile, my husband came home and like threw all his stuff together in like 15 minutes. So isn't that how it always is? I'm planning everything, my stuff, the girls' stuff, all the extra stuff, and he gets to just roll in and throw his stuff in a bag in like 15 minutes. Before I go to bed tonight, I am going to put on these nail strips from Dashing Diva. You just stick them on and file off the extra, and they usually last at least 2 weeks. So I'm really excited. I love the little minis. So I'm gonna do that now, kind of try to relax and get to bed super early. I need to file them down a little better, but I think they turned out pretty cute. Well, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here because I think I'm basically ready to get up early and get to the airport. I'm so excited for another Disney trip. Make sure you're subscribed because I will be vlogging along the way. So if you wanna see all those updates and all the fun we had, make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along. And thanks so much for watching.